I would like to make a disagreement statement from the statement of the House and government regarding killing animal is not good and harmful. So, firstly, I would like to respond regarding the motion based on the health factors. Kadia Araki, in his or her website, believe that the meat is the great source of complete nutrition, such as protein that contains all the amino acid that our bodies needs, and especially amino acid is really needed by the youngster generation in our environment. Moreover, this amino is the ones that our bodies cannot produce. So the protein and also amino is very, very needed for our youngster generation. So that's why we need to kill animals in the purpose for fulfill the nutrition of our youngster generation. Moreover, the using animals and also the meat from all kinds of animals can produce vitamin B and B12 that are found in the greater concentration in meats and also in its DNA from animals than in plant sources. And we do not agree with the statement that the vegan meat is very healthy than the real meat itself, because vitamin B12 can only be found in just only animal source and its DNA in its meat. As we know, vitamin B12 is needed to form the red blood cell, body regeneration, and also the DNA regeneration. From the economic sector, you said that the farming is not very harmful and is quite cheap. This is not true, and I disagree with this statement, because the animal farming just only needs the cost which is very, very little than the plant farming, because it's not only based on the time consuming management and also all the things regarding the sector, but also because the animal farming itself has been regulated and effectively managed by the government completely. And also, more than the plant farming needs a big amount of field, money expenses, and also needs the time expenses that is very, very needed in a big load to produce the farming products such as vegetables and also other kinds of vegetables products. And it requires the deep research, vegetables, and also all of the medicines. Please think about it. So I think this is not good for the government to support all of the farming, like using the plants and also using that vegetables one to be the main protein and also main minerals that needed to the humankinds. And also in the medical purpose, we need the animal as, for example, for the prototype and also material that is really beneficial for all people's health and life. And they, from their suffering and also their sacrifice, all people can be safe here. We also kill the animals as the consumption with the other purpose and with the big purpose to make a good life of people in the future, rather than wasting the time just only for the research and also for doing some, like wasting money and also time expenses just for making the production of the vegan food that is really needed, that is really needing the, like the wasting time and also so on. And also regarding the culture itself, if we talk about the culture and also religion, culture and religions are things that is irreplaceable. As we know from the Islamic and also Christianity tradition, we always do the slaughtering of sheep or lambs as the tradition, because it cannot be denied from what the Bible or Quran said about the sacrifice of animals as the food and tradition. So I totally disagree that the culture should be changed, and I totally disagree with your statement first about decreasing the sacrificing of the animal itself. And moreover, back to the response regarding the health factors about the statement that says meats making the cholesterol and harmful. I totally disagree with this statement, because occasionally something which is over or too much is not good. For example, if we know the sugar things. Sugar is from the plant and it is not good, making a diabetes and also all things that is not good for our health. And moreover, I would like to restate again that we as the human kill the animals as consumption with a big purpose and other purpose to make a good life of people, rather than just only wasting the time, filed and cost much money to make the incomplete vitamin production from the vegan food. Thank you very much.